Matthew. I was worried when you called me. What happened? Hello, Donald. I'm sorry to bother you. I have a problem and I need your help. Sure. Just tell me what can I do for you, my friend. I'm listening. It's very important. I need you to lend me money. $5,000 would be enough. I see. Well, if it's very important, of course I can lend you money. Let's see. You told me 5,000, right? I don't have it now, but I can deposit it into your bank account. That would be great. Thank you very much, Donald. By the way, what a beautiful house. You're so lucky to have it. One day, I would also like to have such a luxury house like this. It's not about luck. I worked hard for this. But that's okay. By the way, you haven't told me what you need the money for. Is your mother sick? Oh, no. Don't tell me. My mom. No, she's fine. Happily, she's fine. She's at home now. Oh, that's great. Then, is it your brother? Don't tell me he had an accident. No. Oh, my God. No, no. My brother is fine. He will graduate from college next year. Oh, that's perfect. Then, what is the matter? Are you okay? What problem do you have? Well, you know I bought a car few years ago. The blue one I always drive to work. Yeah, I know that. Don't tell me you had an accident while you were driving that car. No, no. I want to buy a new car. That car is already old and I don't like it anymore. You must be kidding. I thought you had an emergency. What the hell? It is an emergency. My car is ugly and you have a lot of money. You're millionaire. You won't have any problem with lending me just $5,000. Am I right? No, you're not. Buying a new car is not an emergency. I'm sorry, but I can't lend you money. What? But, you told me you would deposit it in my bank account. Please. No, that's not gonna happen. If you want to buy a new car, you will have to save money. I've already tried that. It doesn't work for me. I don't earn much money. I can't save money. I don't know what to tell you. I have already given you many tips to save money, my friend. As I told you, I don't earn much money. My salary is not enough. Please, help me. Maybe that's the problem. You need to have some extra income. You mean extra money? Of course. But how can I do that? I don't have any idea. Then, I can help you with that. I will give you some examples on how to generate extra income. Seriously. That's great. Tell me please. How can I earn more money? Alright, let's see. Well, to start, you can do what I used to do when I didn't have money. You can become a tutor online. If you think being a tutor means you made straight A's through high school and college, you're wrong. It's all about what you know and how well you know it. Online tutoring companies hire tutors to share their knowledge with students on a wide group of topics. For example, some of the users on these on-demand tutoring sites are really just looking for someone to write their essay or do their homework for them. Be smart when choosing it. If you don't like that idea, you can become a user experience tester. That's very common now. Every business hopes their website gives great information, hits their goals, and makes money. But if something isn't working, the business needs to know why, and a lot of them do something. They call on user experience testers to give feedback. It's very interesting. What else? Oh, why don't you teach English? It's kind of like going the tutoring route. But this time with English. Now, if the word teach makes you a little nervous, don't worry. You only need to have a desire to help others learn and be willing to guide a class online, for example. And you don't have to necessarily speak English like a native speaker for that. No. You can teach people who know less than you. They can be kids, teenagers, or adults. Getting paid while helping others. This one's a win-win. You should try it. Or you can also get paid for your creative skills. Connect with someone who needs your awesome work. Why not freelance in your spare time with websites like Fiverr, for example? The site connects freelancers specializing in writing, editing, graphic design, and voiceover work to clients needing those things. Also, if you like taking photos, then that's a great opportunity to make some extra money. There are many websites which can help you sell your photos. You don't need to be a professional photographer. What else? If you like pets, you can start pet sitting. It also works well. If you have a free room in your house, then you can rent it to tourists or any other people. You can also buy some products with very good offers and then sell them at a higher price. Or I'm sure you have some stuff at home you don't use anymore. Why don't you sell it? They can be an old vase or maybe some clothes. You can make extra money with that. Wait a minute. You have your own car. You have a great chance to make more money. You can rent your own car to another person who wants to drive it or have some advertise on your car. There are many companies looking for cars to put their ads on them. They can pay you very well. Or why don't you drive your car for Uber? You can become a taxi driver. Yeah, that's a great idea. You can work whenever you want. I think that's a great opportunity. That way, you can earn extra money to save and then you can buy your new car in few months. What? Me? A taxi driver? You must be kidding. I can't do that. If my friends and family know I'm a taxi driver. Oh, my God. Ha ha ha. Oh, well, then, I can't help you. I'm sorry. You will have to ask another person to lend you money.
Listeners, I hope you like this conversation. If you cool and improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with friends. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Think button. Thanks.